And it's Computex 2018, and we're back at the Hyatt with the EK. And you're Sasso, right?
Yes, hi Winston. Let me show you around the EK booth and see what's new here. Everything you see here comes in a kit.
Okay.
You can buy a kit. Everything's packed in a box. You just unpack it and put it in your computer. And we also have a AIO unit. So
all in one.
That you really easy to install, just like your air cooler or something like that.
Okay.
So basically all the products are aluminum. Everything is RGB backlit. And this is the EK
in-wing case.
In-wing case, yeah.
With fluid gaming's. Okay.
People can actually buy this one pre-built.
Pre-built.
So they can configure the hardware they want, and it comes like this with.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
And then what have we got here? This is all the server stuff, right?
Yeah. So this is the part of EK you probably are not so familiar with.
Right.
This is the part where we do the enterprise solutions.
Enterprise solution.
There's a 2U rack, some stuff for the autonomous vehicles. You know those autonomous vehicles.
Yeah, workstations.
Yeah.
Server with the server cooling, and you got this is all done by EK, right?
Everything regarding cooling is done by EK.
All right, cool.
There's one cool feature I can show you. You can see that there's no RGB here, no
yeah.
Because also soft tubing, because it makes sense for the business application.
Yeah.
But also quick disconnect. You know.
So doesn't it leak?
No leak, zero drop.
So what do you put this concept in your gaming ones?
Yeah, it's a bit more expensive, and you don't actually need, quick disconnects.
This is magnetic.
No, it's a high pressure disconnect.
High pressure disconnect.
Yeah.
So you just put it in, and then kind of push it in, and that's it.
That's it.
And then you pull it out.
Yeah, you have to. Yeah.
Squeeze it and pull it out.
No, just squeeze. Just pull.
Pull.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know.
All right.
Easy to reattach.
You should have this in your consumer.
I mean, everything you can see here will be available for purchase, even for the consumer. I mean, you could buy those, but the problem with that is that
high price.
Not really that much high price, but people want hard tubing.
Hard tubing, yeah.
And you don't put hard tubing in and out a lot.
Oh yeah,
but in the enterprise solution, you take out the card that dies, and you don't want to tear down the whole loop, you just disconnect it, change the card, connect it again, and the loop is fine.
Yeah, this is what you want with some of the consumer products. Easy, quick disconnect.
Easy, quick disconnect.
Yeah.
So does it trap the water inside when you disconnect?
Yeah, it's actually done so there's no drops.
There's no drops.
Yeah, it's called a zero drop valve, so it really.
That's pretty amazing.
Yeah, it doesn't leak. So, yeah.
So you had this done a long time ago. It's just that for enterprise solutions, and now you're thinking of putting it to the consumer.
Yeah, basically everything you see here will be on the market in the next weeks, maybe.
Right.
So,
right. Okay.
Okay. So this is our mainstream line. No problem.
The blocks.
This is the stuff that EK is the best known for. This is the stuff that all the modders are using. And
so we have the water blocks.
The water blocks for the CPUs. This is for Intel. This is for AMD Threadripper. You can see the direct-to-die cooling there. So Threadripper has two separate dies, and the flow goes through those.
Yeah.
We have updated. If you can see the design, updated it. This is the signature design for the blocks now. The old block was performing well, but it was a bit old, it was a bit dated in the design department. So we have changed this, made a couple of new versions, so it's full RGB. It can be full copper with nickel plating, so you can have more subtle look. And okay, I can change you one cool thing about the badges we have on there. Just a sec.
The badge? What's so special about the badge?
The badge. It shines through. But if you disconnect the LEDs, you can see it's metal.
Oh, it is metal.
It's metal, but it shines through.
Oh, right. It's got this kind of mirror effect to it.
Yeah.
I get you.
So it's a nice it's a nice detail. Yeah.
Okay, and this is a radiator all-in-one.
This is an all-in-one, high-end all-in-one.
Where's the pump?
It's all enclosed.
Oh, the pump's inside the radiator here.
Yeah. Everything.
It's an all-in-one, 240mm radiator with the pump built in inside already. Goes to the water block right here. Okay, nice. And this is on the market right now?
This will be on the market in a couple of weeks.
Couple of weeks?
Yeah.
EK branded all in one?
Yeah. We're aiming
Notice
for
the
Q3.
really thick, nice braided a sleeve tubing there. Nice. Okay, these are the monoblocks. You got a monoblock here.
Monoblock and the new GPU blocks. Basic cooling engine is the same, but we updated the design.
Right.
We have the new terminal. We have the. Okay.
Right. Okay, so the water block for the GTX 1080 Ti.
1080 Ti.
And then
that's right. And you can see that we've branded the terminal back with the LEDs. So you can run those.
nice.
Yeah, it's a nice little detail that
Okay.
you can make a subtle build with this. You know?
And then this is a black plate.
Yeah, this is just a black plate. You can have different options.
All right.
Okay. That's,
All right. So now we have some fans.
Yeah.
What are these? EK Vardar
Vardar Extremes.
Extreme.
It's spelled X3M because they are made of the three main parts. So it's the fan, it's
Right.
the housing, and they feature those rubber feet that can be turned around.
Turn around, and
Yeah.
it helps vibration, anti-vibration.
Vibration, it's more silent, and also because they are rubber feet,
Yeah.
they make a tighter seal. So actually, this fan performs a little bit better when used with the right radiator.
I notice you have these surrogated like teeth at the bottom here. Well, that does help the airflow.
Yeah, this is the standard on all new Vardars. So yeah, it's just a fan design that optimizes the airflow and minimizes.
And then
the
fully RGB and everything.
RGB, you can see those here.
Okay.
And they are available in 8 different colors.
Right.
You can change the rubber feet if you want. You can even mix them if you want. So yeah, and these are the regular Vardars RGB. So the same price design that we had before. Really good static pressure,
Excellent.
but with RGB right now.
All right, so I like this. What's this here?
Yeah.
This is the in-wing case I've seen
In-wing case,
at
yes.
the Nangan booth. So you've now added EK water cooling in here,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, sure.
Tell me what's inside.
So this is an in-wing case. EK has a
Yeah.
strategic partnership with them for cases.
Yeah.
They make great cases. We make great water cooling, so it's a perfect fit. This is actually a 1080 cooled by water.
Yeah, the
EK
water block, yeah.
And an i7 also.
I notice you have the soft tubing here, right?
Yeah, this is the soft tubing because this is basically a
Compact
system.
case.
Yeah.
And you want be able to,
Yeah,
put the tubing in there.
It could be done with hard tubing, but this is just a showcase to
Yeah,
see what we can do. It actually has 2 fans for the radiator below.
So one on top and the bottom, at the bottom here, right? I see it.
Yeah,
Okay.
and the floating. So, standard.
Got you.
Yeah, if
Nice.
you want to close it up. So, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, so it's actually quite a powerful gaming and productivity machine in a very small and compact package.
Yeah.
And it's also, right now it's running at almost a full speed, so it's running some benchmarks.
Nice,
So,
nice.
yeah, it's not very
And
loud.
this is just the fans that you had before.
Yeah, those fans are the same as the ones on the stand. And this here is to show some custom
Or custom made.
in-win parts
Yeah.
that are
Customization there.
yeah
For the.
basically the same stuff we've seen
Yeah.
over there. But
All right.
okay,
Okay, one second.
this one
And over here
Yeah.
we have this thing called the cryo fuel. This is like the
Yeah.
liquid coolant that you'll be selling, right?
yeah, of course. So if you know
Is this it's not opaque, right?
no, it's not. It's you can't see through it. It's opaque. Yeah.
Yeah. So I mean, we had issues with some of the
Yeah.
thermotic ones where they have the
Everyone
opaque and it's
mentions
like
that, yeah.
bad. But this is something different, right?
Everyone mentions those. There were some fluids on the market that had problems. It's very hard to do this, but actually, those have been tested for over a year now. We are still testing them with a lot of external modders and stuff
Right.
and in-house tests.
Yeah.
We want to make sure that the fluids don't sediment. There's no separation of
Yeah,
color and
yeah.
stuff. no gunking, no stuff like that. So we are really thorough into our.
So now we have the colors in red, orange, yellow,
Yeah, 7
white,
different colors.
green, blue, and
Yeah.
purple.
Yeah.
And it says your liquid or your coolant
Yeah.
hasn't separated or sedimentated and stuff
Actually,
like that.
this
So
stand has no flow, so these are all
just static.
yeah, static, and you can see those are here from 3 or 4 days, I think.
Yeah.
They have been static. You can still see the bubbles in there, so basically
Yeah.
very stable machine.
Okay, liquid coolant. Okay, so
Yeah.
again, when is it available
Yeah,
on the market?
also it will be available in the next weeks or
Okay,
maybe
cool.
a month or so. So
And you sell them in bottles of a liter,
yeah, 1 liter bottle.
100 mils, yeah,
We
1,000 mils.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we do work on other colors. We're trying to make
Okay.
that one. And
Great.
Yeah.
So we've seen nice water blocks. We've seen the EK Fluid gaming system. So we've actually seen the EK Fluid system. We saw some nice industrial kind of solutions for your servers as well as workstations with the quick release and non-drip. And then we got nice water blocks and stuff like that, as well as the fans and the coolant, right?
Fuel
The fluid.
solid, yeah.
Yeah.